Don't you dare waste your money on the new 24-50. Get one of these instead. What's going on, people? Today I want to talk to you guys about that brand new 24-50 2.8 G lens that was just announced yesterday and why I think this is a way better option for your money. Sony Alpha Rumors first posted a leaked image of this lens in November of last year and then followed it up with a post saying that it would probably be around the $1,400 mark. I had mixed emotions, first of which being, damn, that's a lot of money. The second of which being, but I could swing it. Luckily, I snapped out of it and realized I already have a lens like this. It's the Tamron 20-40mm F2.8. Even with the 24-50 coming in at only $1,100, that's still more than enough money to get a brand new 20-40, as well as a used 85-1.8 on the side. Like, what else do you need? That's an entire kit. You can go from vlogging at 20 to taking portraits at 40 and even capturing sports at 85. Which actually leads me into my next point. This one's pretty simple. 20 can be 24, but 24 can never be 20. In other words, you can always crop in a shot that's too wide. Sure, you'll lose a tiny bit of quality, but no one's gonna notice. So I personally always prefer shooting wider rather than tighter, just to give me that little bit of real estate to work with. I got 3 words for you. Clear, image, zoom. Turns this 20-40 into a 20-60, and if you use APS-C crop mode on top of that, it turns it into a 96mm lens. And yes, the same can be said for the 24-50, but like I said earlier, you can only clear image zoom in. You can't clear image zoom out. That's not how it works. What I'm saying here is really to just consider all of your options. There are tons of third-party lenses, especially for Sony cameras, that are just as good, if not better, than some of the G Master and G lenses that you'll see on the market. I mean, you can make a great video with just a kit lens. People with cameras from other manufacturers like Canon, Panasonic, and Fuji don't have access to the third-party lenses that we as Sony users do. So make sure you do your due diligence because this photography videography thing is not cheap. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.